Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is the cutest little octopus, and guess what? It's actually a face scrub. This is from the Tako Pore collection. It is a blackhead scrub stick, and what it's going to do is remove all the extra oils and everything on your face, and it's going to help exfoliate it to get rid of blackheads. And I had seen a lot of videos on this on different social media platforms, and that made me want to try it. But I do have to say, one of the things that confused me after I saw people using it, you see all the little beads, and at first I thought that that was blackheads, but that is not your blackheads. These are the exfoliating beads that you see. So when you first get it, it's very smooth, but as you start using it, you start seeing the exfoliating beads. So it is an exfoliant, and it does work really well. It feels good. After you use it, as you can see, it does have the pearls. So is it rough? Yes, it's an exfoliant. So you're going to feel it. So maybe use it a little bit more gently. Depending on how sensitive your skin is, depends how much you're going to use it. And afterwards, it makes my skin feel so soft and smooth. Like, we love using exfoliant on our body every once in a while. So using one on your face feels really nice. It has I would say, a rosy perfume to it, but once you wash it away, you no longer have that scent attached to you. So I really appreciated that the scent is then gone. So if you're looking for something to help with your blackheads, but it's mostly going to work as an exfoliant to help get your face ready and just kind of get rid of those extra oils, check out the little octopus from Tako Pore collection. And that's my point of view.